Today children we are going to learn measurement of length. There are ancient measurements and we were using these ancient instruments and modern instruments. We'll be learning for converting smaller units, bigger units. So my dear children, we will be learning about converting, and first we are going to learn converting bigger unit into smaller units. The first type is converting meters into centimeters. Second type is converting kilometers into meters. Third type is converting meters and centimeters into centimeters. Then fourth type is converting kilometers and meters into meters. Okay, so children, then let's see. Children, you see today we are going to start the length worksheet 1. Fill in the blanks. 4 meter is equal to dash centimeter is given. Now let's see how to convert this. I have already told you that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You might have seen in the videos. This you have to remember. Okay, now considering this, you will convert 4 meter into how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Everyone can do this, but let me teach you how to write the steps and do. Okay, 4 into 100 is equal to 400 centimeter. This one you should remember. Now for example, next we will be doing B number. 8 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So what you will do? You will write like this: 8 into 100 centimeter, that is equal to 800 centimeter. This is the way to write. So remember, you will write like this. Now I'll show you C. C is 10 kilometer. Now kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? So if you remember, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So considering this, you will write 10 kilometer is equal to dash meter, that is equal to, you will write this way, 10 into 1000 meter, that is equal to 10 and 3 more zeros. This is meter. This is the answer. Now same way D, how you will do D number, that is 63 kilometer, that is equal to dash meters. Write down 63 into 1000 meter. Now this is 63 and 3 more zeros, meter. So this is the way how to convert and do it, children. Okay. Next one is convert into centimeters. Now you have already converted. Okay. Now I'll show you one more example how to convert. Now the first one is 3 meter and 40 centimeter. Now let's see how to do. First, this is already in centimeter. Now this one you will convert to centimeter and you will add this too. Okay, how to do? Let's see. Put equal to. Now this 3 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 3 into 100, because you all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now this plus 40 centimeter. Let's do 3 into 100, 300 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. Now 300 plus 40. Children, always remember to write in rough. Before doing, always add in the rough column and then only write 300 plus 40 like this. 0, 4, 3. Now this is 340 centimeters. Do not write directly, you will do mistake. Always remember to add in the rough and then only you note down. So what we have done, first we have converted the meter into centimeter, then we added with the centimeter. So both are in centimeter, 300 centimeter and 40 centimeter. So we added and found out in centimeter. So this is the way to do. Now the next number is convert into meters. You have learned how to convert into centimeters. Now convert to meters. Convert to meters means 4 kilometer 315 meter will be converted into meter. So this is already in meter and now you have to convert this kilometer into meter. So how to write? Put the bracket 4 into 4 kilometer is how many meters into 1000. Now this becomes meter. Add 315 meter and we are going to get. So 4 into 1000 is 4000 meter plus 315 meter. So as I told you, always add in the rough and then write, otherwise you will do mistake. So 4000 plus 315. Now 5, 1, 3, 4. This is 4350 meters. This is the way how to do it. Now let me show you one more example. Now the other example is F number I am doing 4 kilometer 8 meter. Mostly this type of questions students do mistake. So I am taking these examples. Now put equal to, will convert this 4 kilometer 4 into 1000. This is meter plus 8 meter. Now 4 into 1000 is 4000 meter plus 8 meter. This is equal to how much? So before writing the answer, always go for the rough 4000 plus. Now most children do 8 addition here. That's a great mistake. So add it like this and then only write your final answer. This is meter. So this is your answer. I hope you understood, children. Now complete this number. Number is true and false. 4 number. I am showing you one example, that is F. Normally the students do mistake. You will not write true and false directly. You have to solve it as we have done in number 2 and 3, and then only you will write whether it is true or false. So all the bits you are going to solve it and check. Now this F number, why I have chosen? Because this is, sorry, the question is here kilometer here. So the question is from smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, so you have already learned converting bigger unit to smaller unit. Now what you will do, how to check this? You can, if you are not able to do from left to right, right to left is also the same. So you can go for checking the right hand side of the equal to. Like 10 kilometer is how much? Now so you can convert this 10 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1000 meter. That is how many zeros? This 1 0 and more 3 zeros, this meter. Now you see whether this right hand side is equal to left hand side or not. 1, then 4 zeros, 1 and 4 zeros. So this is true. So this one is true. You can write true after checking like this. Okay.